Good afternoon, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you could add a gradient to your text, but also warp it at the same time, but still keep the effect of the gradient and let it follow along the arc or along your warp. Now I'll show you in a second what happens if you just have a regular text layer, you have a gradient overlay, which I already added, and then you come up here and select this warp up here, warp option. And let's come up here and select arc. Now, as you can see, the gradient doesn't follow this arc right here. So if I select the bend, change the bend, it starts changing, but it doesn't level off unless it's straight. So what I want to do is I want that gradient to follow along this arc. So and it doesn't. It stays like in a straight line along the text. It doesn't follow the arc. So one way to do this is I created a duplicate layer. I'm going to add a gradient overlay, the same one. So I selected that, clicked OK. Now, what I want to do at this point, I want to convert this layer to a smart object. Okay, I did that. Now, what I want to do is I want to enter free transform mode. So I'm going to press Control T or Command T if you're on a Mac. And now what I want to do is I want to come up here to this options bar, and this allows me to enter the warp mode. Now I come over here to the left and it gives me the same options as before. You could switch all these around, but I'm going to select arc now. Now as you can see, what happens with the gradient, it follows along that arc instead of having it like this. Now maybe this top one is the effect that you want, but if you want that gradient overlay to follow that warp option that you select, in this case I selected arc, it followed along the arc of the text. So that's how you can create a gradient on your text layer and warp it at the same time and have that gradient follow along that arc. Hopefully this gave you a new idea for your current projects or future projects. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video ready. And also please like, share, and comment. I would very much appreciate it. And I want to thank you very much for supporting my channel. And you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.